Hi! In front of me is TECNO Spark 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access Privacy. Then click on App Permissions and select one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like location. Now tap on one of your apps located under one of those categories. Allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. I will go with camera from not allowed section and click on one of those options to apply the best one for me. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with allow only while using, so when I click and go back, sorry too far, I can see that camera just gained access to my device's location if I'm using this app. But you can always pick any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage. For example, I will go into microphone to manage my Call of Duty. Then, instead of selecting one of those available options, click on See All Call of Duty Permissions at the bottom of the list. Then adjust all of those for chosen app however you want to, the same way as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!